So the first solution I'll be working with is lithium. So first I sterilize my nichrome wire by dipping it in the dilute hydrochloric acid and then in the flame. It should really have no color in the flame except for a slight orange color. So it seems pretty clean, but I'll do it one more time just to make sure. Okay, and I think we're ready to start with our lithium solution. So I stir the solution to make sure that it's fully dissolved, and then I make sure that the whole wire is covered with the lithium solution. The whole top of the wire, to be more specific. And I think we're ready to dip it in the flame. Here we go. Lithium produces a bright red magenta color. That's a really strong color. You can see orange in it too, but it's pretty strong magenta. I'll do it one more time. The magenta really shows through. And it slowly fades out just to the strong, bright orange. Okay, after this we sterilize our wire again. So now I'll be working with potassium solution. So first I clean my nichrome wire, dip it in the dilute hydrochloric acid and in the flame. Once again, it looks pretty clear, no color, but I'll do it one more time just to be safe. Okay, as you can see there's no real color, so I think we're ready. I will move to the potassium solution and stir it to make sure that it's fully dissolved and a full solution. And then also at the same time make sure that the loop at the top of the wire is fully covered with the solution for our test. This ensures accuracy in our flame color and that we get a bright, strong color when we do it. I think we're ready now. Here we go. As you can see, a strong lilac color shows through with a hint of orange, but it's really a pretty color actually. It's like a light, light purple. Here, one more time. It's a really strong color. Okay. Now we're ready to clean the wire again and move on to the next solution. Now I'm going to be working with strontium solution. So again, cleaning the wire to ensure the accuracy of our experiment. Dip it in the acid, then in the flame. We always do it more than once to ensure that it's fully sterilized. Okay, great. Now it's time to move on to the strontium solution, which is located over here. We stir the solution to make sure that it's fully dissolved, while at the same time making sure that the entire loop of the nichrome wire is getting covered with it for our flame test. It looks pretty dissolved and the wire seems to be covered, so I think we're ready to move on to the experiment. Here we go. Strontium was a quick flash of what we like to call blood orange, which is a mix of bright red and orange. We'll do it a couple more times so you can really get the color in. You can see it's bright, bright red and bright orange combined to form this kind of mix of a color, but you can really see the difference between the orange and the red in it. It's kind of still appearing in the flame actually. Okay. Bright, bright blood orange. Great. Okay, now we're ready to move on to the next solution.